Hey, I'm Kate, your community manager here at Teespring. So today we've got a big announcement to share. We have officially launched our Conscious product collection. To start, our new Conscious collection will have 4 products: tote bags, long sleeve tees, hoodies, and t-shirts. All of these products are either made of 100% organic cotton, or they're made of a mix of organic cotton and other recycled materials. Another reason why we love these products, and think you will too, is because they enable you and your customers to make a positive impact on the environment. These Conscious Collection products are made of fibers that require little or no pesticides to grow and avoid contributions to air, water, and land pollution. These products are also cruelty-free, made from non-animal fibers, and are harvested in animal-friendly ways with reduced impact on animal habitats. Plus, our US supplier for hoodies, long-sleeve tees, and totes donates a portion of every product sale to an environmental nonprofit organization. As I mentioned, these products are global, which means that we can source, produce, and ship them from either the EU or the US, depending on your buyer's location. And this is going to give your customers the best shipping timelines and prices possible. Alright, so I have got some samples from our US products from the Conscious Collection, so let's go ahead and take a closer look. First up is our tote bags. This design was created by YouTuber and singer Rachel Talbot. Totes come in 2 different color options, black or natural, and this one is in the natural color option. You can see it has a large opening perfect for carrying and accessing items, and it has a storage capacity of 19 liters. You can print on the front and the back of this product, and they're made of 100% organic cotton. Whenever you sell one of these US totes, our supplier makes a donation to an environmental nonprofit organization. Next, we have our Eco Unisex Tee, and this design was created by YouTuber My Self-Reliance. These tees are made of 60% organic cotton and 40% recycled polyester. Cool fact, the polyester used for each tee is actually made out of 4 recycled bottles. You can print on the front and the back of this product, and they feature a thicker, heavyweight material that has a premium, soft feel. Here we've got an example of one of our organic long sleeve tees in white, and this design was also created by My Self-Reliance. These tees are made of 100% certified organic ring-spun cotton. You can print on the front and the back, and just like the totes, a donation is made to an environmental nonprofit every time you sell one. This is our US eco-friendly hoodie featuring a design created by Plasma Magazine. The hoodie's draw cords match the material color, and there's a large pocket on the front. You can print designs above the pocket on the front, and there's a larger printable area on the back. Hoodies are made of 80% organic cotton and 20% recycled polyester. And similar to totes and long sleeve tees, a donation is also made by our supplier every time one of these hoodies are sold. Don't forget that these products are fully integrated in the Teespring launcher, which means everyone can access them and create them instantly. Just head to the Teespring launcher and select the products with the Conscious Collection icon. Then you can go through the normal launch flow to create your listings. I'll add a link to our launch video below if you want to learn more about how to use the Teespring launcher. And that concludes today's episode of Teespring Talk. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest company news, features, and products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.